Hello again. This is the second part where I want to show you the process of producing this thread fountain. In this part, I will show you the sketch we have produced before we started the production. So we use this sketch to talk with the architect and with the owner. As mentioned in the first video, one of the challenges was how to fix the water distribution circle at those metal parts at the top, and what we've used those studdings which work pretty good. I will show you this in one of the next videos how we did this in detail. And what happened from the customer side, he put a drywall pillow around the original pillow, so we have some free space in here where we could place some hoses, some pipes to get the water up here hidden below the drywall. And what we then did, we pumped the water inside those two half circles, and then the water flows down on those threads inside the bottom tank, which is also made of two parts. Actually, the real challenge was, to make a two-parted bottom tank which is waterproof. But because we have those threads, it wasn't so hard because we just had to divide those threads. And those threads have been fixed here in this profile. So the water went down the threads inside of one of those halves. And then from those halves, with a tube, it went down to the tech tank. In the tech tank, we have had two pumps, and those pumps pumped then below the drywall the water up again to the water distribution circle at the top. And down here, what you can see is we have placed a dirt filter. So everything was pretty narrow down there, but it worked. And here you can see the metering unit for the water additive, and this also we connected this to the tech tank at the bottom. And what you can also see here are the two tubes we had below the floor. One was for the filling, so one was to refill the water wall, the thread fountain, with fresh pure water coming from the reverse osmosis, and the other was a connection to the drain, so that we would have a security overflow in case the well, I think it's not in this sketch, but what we've had in here is a valve, a swimming valve, which would open when the water levels sink. And so, but if the swimming valve would block or would be broken, then we would have the danger of having a water damage, because the water then would come out of the bottom tank. And so what we did is we made a hole in the tech tank, and so if the swimming valve would be broken or malfunction, the water would not overflow here on the floor. It would overflow inside this drain tube, which is then connected at the other side behind the bar, as you maybe remember in the first video. So yeah, this is the main principle. We have a bottom tank which collects the water. The water then is driven to this tech tank below it, where we have the pumps, and inside the pillow there is some space, and then we pumped it up to this water distribution circle, which consists of two half circles. And in the next video we will show you the production steps we have had, and also the testing phase, and some other nice things which I hope you will enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye.